Hello students, welcome to the mathematics classes. Today we are going to learn determinants. First of all, we shall learn what is meant by determinant. Determinant is number corresponding to a square matrix. So first of all, the thing a determinant exists only for square matrices. We can associate each of a square matrix to a certain number or an expression. That expression or a number is called determinant. Before we learn a general method to calculate determinant of any square matrix, we shall learn how to calculate determinant of a square matrix of order 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 particularly, because in course of the time for this chapter it will be very beneficial for us to learn the determining the determinant of these orders particularly. First of all, determinant of a square matrix of order 1 by 1. Let us consider a matrix A having a single element and its order is obviously 1 by 1. Its determinant represented by putting bar signs on left and right side of the name of the matrix, and it is just the element, the entry lying in the square matrix of order 1 by 1. For example, if a matrix A is minus 5, then its determinant is also minus 5. Understood? Now we look at the determinant of a square matrix of order 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Let A is a square matrix A11, A12, A21 and A22. Now its determinant, as I have already discussed, it is represented by the bar on left and right side of the name of the matrix, and also the same on the elements of the square matrix. A11 multiply by A22, you have to multiply it diagonally, minus again from down to up in this order. For example, let A is a square matrix 3, 2, 1, 5. Now its determinant A is the same numbers but having bars on left and right side, so it will become determinant. Now its calculation is 3 5s are 15 minus 1 2s are 2, it is 13. And now we learn how to determine the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Let us consider a square matrix A, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Now actually we can calculate it by 6 methods. we can determine the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 by 3 by following six method. The seventh method is also a Saraj diagram. We shall discuss it a little while later. Now for the timing, now we shall calculate it by expanding by R1. Expanding by R1 means we shall take elements of R1 one by one with alternative sign, starting with positive sign A11. Then imagine to have a cross sign on this element and write the remaining elements and then put negative sign. As I have told you, we have to write the elements of R1 one by one with alternative sign. First we use positive sign, now negative A12, and then put a plus sign on A12, A21, A23, A31 and A33 are the remaining elements. Then the third element A13 with positive sign, here is a plus sign on it. We are having these four elements A21, A22, A31, A32. Do not disturb their position, write them as they are. Now we have learned how to calculate determinant of order 2 by 2. Just like that, A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23 minus A12 A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23 plus A13 A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. We can also calculate it by expanding R2. Expanding by R2 means just like R1, we shall use the elements of R2 and we shall start it by negative sign, minus A21. Put negative, start with negative sign in R2, have a plus sign on A21, write the remaining elements A12, A13, A32 and A33. Now plus sign A22, have a plus sign on A22, you will have A11, A13, A31 and A33. These elements left after putting plus sign on A22. Then negative sign, last element of R2 A23, plus sign on it, and the elements left are A11, A12, A31, A32, and we can calculate it just by multiplying diagonally, and the answer, the result will not vary if we calculate it by any of the method, that is expanding by R1, R2, R3 or expanding by C1, C2 or C3. R1, R2, R3 stands for row 1, row 2, row 3, and C1, C2, C3 stand for column 1, column 2 and column 3. The one thing you have to take into account is when you are starting with R2 or C2, start with negative sign. Okay. Now we shall illustrate it by an example. Let us consider a square matrix 3, 2, 1, 4 0 2 1 minus 1 2. Expand by R1. First element of R1 3. Put a plus sign on 3. Write the remaining elements without disturbing their position. Then write minus 2, positive, negative. Put a plus sign on 2, 4 2 1 2, and then plus 1, 4 0 1 minus 1 3. Multiply 0 by 2, 0, minus 1 multiply by 2, minus 2. So you can directly make it positive, plus 2, okay, minus 2. 4 to the 8, minus 2, plus 1. 4 multiply by minus 1, minus 4, minus 0. Now it is plus 2, 3 to the 6, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 to the 12, and minus 4. It is minus 10. Let us see what is the result when we expand the determinant by R2. When we expand a determinant by R2, we can directly see in the matrix if we have not put a bar signs on both the sides. Now expand it by R2. First minus 4, have a plus sign on it. 2 1 minus 1 2, then plus 0, minus 4 plus 0. Put a plus sign on it. We have 3 1 1 2, and then minus 2. Signs are inserted alternatively, minus plus minus. Minus 4, 2 multiply by 2, 4, minus minus 1, plus 0, 6 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 4 is 20, and we need not calculating it. Minus 2 multiply by minus 5, it is plus 10, and answer is minus 10. Result will not vary. We can use any of the method, that is by expanding by R1, R2 or R3, or column 1, column 2 or column 3. When you use R2 or C2, start with negative sign. Otherwise you have to always start with positive sign. A different method to calculate determinant of A of a matrix of order 3 by 3, Sarus diagram. Sarus diagram. In this method, we write elements just as they are arranged in the matrix. And then the first two columns are to be repeated like that, A2 1, A3 1. These two columns are to be repeated, A1 2, A2 2, A3 3. Now you have to put the parallel lines just like that. Yes, these parallel lines from top to bottom, these three lines. Okay, and also you have to put these three lines from bottom to top, and these should be dotted lines. And it will be better to have these columns in a line so that the result is not changed while using this method. Now multiply these three elements which come into a line. A11 multiply by A22 multiply by A33 plus A12 multiply by A23 multiply by A31, like that, plus A13 multiply by A21 multiply by A33. Now put a negative sign, and the same process is taken. A31 multiply by A22 multiply by A13 plus A32 multiply by A23 multiply by A11 plus A33 multiply by A21 multiply by A12. You have to cover all the elements now which come into a dotted line. First we multiply elements coming into dark line, these three dark lines, A11, A22, A33 plus A12, A23, A31 plus A13, A21 and A33. Then the elements in a dotted line are to be multiplied with negative sign. Let us take an example. We take the same matrix as we have taken before, so as to check the result. 3, 4, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 2. Two columns are to be repeated. Yes, just like that. Multiply 3 into 0 into 2 plus 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 1, then plus 1 multiply by 4 multiply by minus 1, then put negative sign. 1 multiply by 0 multiply by 1 plus minus 1 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, then plus 2 multiply by 4 multiply by 2. 0 plus 4 minus 4, 0 minus 6 plus 16. 16 minus 6 results 10. We have a negative sign before the bracket. 4 cancelled with 4 and answer is minus 10. You have to use this method only when it is required in a question. So for this class it is sufficient. Now you can practice to calculate the determinants of the order up to 3 by 3, and we shall proceed in the next class and know about cofactors, minors and the general method to calculate the determinant. Thank you.